Guys, welcome back to the shop and welcome back to the Cayman build.
Look at this guy, he's already sitting down taking a break.
It's been a busy morning. We went to a car show this morning. We took the Gallardo there. It was very fun, got to talk to a lot of people.
Well,
so now it's time for a nap.
It's actually been like a really busy season. Yeah. That's why we're not uploading that much because we're slammed.
Also,
but
look at the shop right now. Look how stressful this is.
Yeah, this is actually extremely...
So we have a customer's Audi TT right here that's going from a gloss white to a satin black, full color change vinyl wrap. This needs to be done by Monday, it being Saturday right now. So that's why we gotta take care of the Cayman real quick and fast so I can get back to this. Maybe I'll include you guys in some wrapping. I know you guys really like that.
Of course. I gotta tell you guys, I really miss driving this car. And Clayton's like, you can still drive it, but it's not the same.
Ready for this? Oh. It's so loud.
Is it going up or down?
Up.
Up?
So, because we need to go underneath.
Oh. He's bringing the big boys out.
Big guns.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you're going the singular back end lift way?
Yep, the incorrect way, so don't follow me, but it just works. So.
Almost. Oh, plenty, actually. Went a little high.
Here goes. Whee!
Perfect.
Who out there likes my oil catch can? It's like a storage tub for toys.
It's not stupid if it works, right?
Yeah, it works great, actually.
So this obviously isn't gonna be a how-to. Clayton actually does have a how-to on a Cayman, how to change your oil on a Cayman way back, like 2016 or something like that, right?
It was like 5 years. It was my very first video.
Really?
My very first video I ever posted was how to change the oil in a
Goodness.
Porsche Cayman.
Should we be directing people there?
Sure, I mean,
okay.
You can see how awkward I was back in the day.
We're just kind of hanging out right now. So when was the last time you changed your oil on this?
At least a year and a half ago.
Whoa. But my question is does the oil go bad if you're not driving it? Because this really isn't driven a lot.
Mechanic Clayton says he does not know.
Okay. He's doing stuff, folks. I don't know what, but he's doing stuff.
I sure am doing stuff.
Oh! How's it going?
Good. I sure hope this makes it run a little better.
What?
Oh, what the heck? Oh my gosh. You'll never believe what I just found down here.
What?
No wonder it's not running very good.
You're kidding me.
There was a burger in there.
You're kidding me.
Yeah, that's where we put it.
So you mean to tell me that the burger vlog has entered the chat?
Oh, I mean, yeah. It was destiny. It was in the car the whole time.
Oh my gosh. I knew that Cayman was good for something. Look who decided to show up. Seems like everyone wants a burger these days. All right, now that all the burgers have dripped out, I'm gonna go back under.
We got all the oil out. Now to put a new filter in and put new oil in.
You mean new burgers in?
New burgers in.
Does this car have the high mileage oil yet?
No, I need to figure that out. So this is the recommended oil, 0W40, but I should probably do some sort of like high mileage, like a little bit thicker oil, because I've noticed it burns a lot of oil, so.
Yeah.
And I'm struggling really hard getting this open. I have to get oil on everything else in my car. That's the one weird thing about Caymans.
The oil filter, or the oil thing is in the trunk?
It's inside the car, like surrounded by carpet.
Well, I guess the rear trunk, I should say.
Yep.
Or the rear hatch. Which is it?
It's all of them.
You're like a mannequin.
I'm just boring. There's a lot to go in there. So the Cayman takes 8 liters.
Okay, and what does the average car take?
I don't know, like
5?
3.5.
You know what? Actually, my VW GTI took 5.
5 quarts. So one of these.
Oh.
This takes 2 of these.
Okay, well, that's what I was trying to get at.
Yeah.
This takes almost twice as much as the GTI.
A lot of the viewers don't even know we used to have a Volkswagen GTI. It's an MK6. Right?
Yep, 2010.
It ripped.
Manual.
It was faster than this.
That's the car I had in college, and then I decided to move out here, and I met Clayton, and then we decided to sell it and buy a big truck.
Oh yeah, they don't even remember the truck either. We used to have a truck.
Well, the new subscribers won't remember. The old subscribers knew we had a truck.
Yeah. It was a 2014 Dodge Ram 2500 Mega Cab Sport Edition or something.
It was just sport package. So, serious and important question. Mm-hmm. Do you know what that tastes like?
Oil?
Yes.
Yes.
You do?
I do. If you work on cars, you gotta know what the things taste like. It's not like you're consuming it, but you gotta like, oh, there's a leak. Nah, I know what it is. It's oil, or it's coolant. I know.
I really just want to touch it because it's so smooth.
It'll be nice and warm. Actually, very, very hot, actually.
All right, so Clayton's complaining to me about how there's no dipstick in a Cayman. So in order to check the oil levels, it has to be flat on the ground.
For 30 minutes.
For 30 minutes?
Yeah, we don't got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that.
And now we wait.
Okay, this is how you check the oil. Go in here, oil. Okay, it's gonna measure it in 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, we're good. Oil's perfect.
Yay!
Done. Check that off the list. The list of 1,000 things.
Yeah, what else? What is the list, actually?
All right, are we really gonna go through this?
Yeah, let's do it. Oh snap, he's got a list.
There's so much that the Cayman needs. I'm gonna quickly go through the list. First, we're gonna go over the list of everything it needs to be fixed. Fixed. So everything that's wrong with the car right now. So it needs a full front end respray paint because of rock chips. It needs those holes from my old wing filled. We need new axle shafts because my CV boots broke. We need an oil air separator. I need to fix my keyhole because the key just gets locked inside and that's super annoying. We need to retint it because of fishbowl, you know. We need to fix the programming on the car because the sport button doesn't work. It needs a new water pump, coolant flush. I need to fix the fitment and move the radiators forward. There's some dents I need to fix. I need new wiper arms and a new cowl. Mods.
That's not even the mod.
Okay, and these are the fun parts. Mods. We need to add a huge wing on the back, which involves a lot of design and creation aspect to it. I want to do underglow and wire these fog lights here, so lighting. I need new air lines and an air tank set up in the rear. I want to do hard lines, so that's like a bunch of creative. I need new audio in the car. I want to do a whole new stereo. I need new floor pans and pedals. I need seat heaters. I need to wire the seat heaters, and that's it.
Oh, okay. So, if you guys are wondering why the title is the way that it is, it's because of that huge list of crap that needs to be done, and Clayton's really good at just kind of putting the Cayman away and not thinking about it.
Well, because there's a lot of other things I need to do, aka work on the Gallardo, aka work on my other thing, which is my truck.
Well, this is what we get for having multiple cars and
multiple projects,
3 businesses.
3 businesses, multiple cars, multiple projects, 1 car space shop. We need a bigger shop.
Yeah.
But there's one thing on this list that I just remembered. I can just knock it off real quick in like 5 minutes. You want to just do it real quick?
Let's do it.
And the part's actually right here in my new tool chest. Check this thing out. So from Numeric Racing, we have brand new billet aluminum pedals. And apparently the install is like a breeze. So let's check it out. Oh yeah. Let's see, look at these. So let's throw them on real quick.
All right, so there's the stock pedals, everyone. Take a good look. And ooh, that's what the numeric pedals are going to look like.
That difference. We got rubber and plastic and billet aluminum.
So yeah, these are pretty slick though.
So when you're in this position, it's actually pretty easy.
Let's have a look-see. Ooh, that looks really slick.
Nice and billet.
Yeah, it looks clean.
Oh yeah.
I like it.
So we got the numeric short throw shifter on there and the pedals. The gas pedal actually feels really solid. Like much more quality. Because this one's plastic.
Of course.
Here's the old pedals. Junk. Cool.
So that's pretty much everything for the Cayman today, right?
I think so. I just gotta find my list and check it off. Oh. Progress. Now that we have the aftermarket pedals taken care of, we only have 80 other things to do.
Sweet. You know what? Baby steps.
Baby steps.
It's not about the finish line, it's about the journey. Is that what they say? It's not about the...
Guys, check this thing out. It looks pretty sick. We're very far along. We've got the front fenders done, the doors, the rear hips, the side skirts, the deck lid in the rear. So we just have the bumpers and the hood.
And some trim.
Yeah, I tried
And
to
the
make
roof.
it sound like it wasn't as bad as it is. But yeah, we got the bumpers, the hood, a bunch of trim. We have the roof, we have the antenna, and a racing stripe.
Woo!
Yep.
So I think you guys want to see some wrap action. So we are going to wrap this rear bumper on, and by we I mean Clayton, is going to wrap the rear bumper on the TTRS. So I really like watching wraps being done in a time lapse. So I think that's what I'm going to throw you guys on. Think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
Okay. That is a clean install. Nice job.
Thank you.
We got the pro in the house. That looks like a pretty easy bumper overall though.
Yeah, overall it was actually a very, very simple bumper.
Hold on. What is this?
What is what? What?
I didn't know this TT had a burger exhaust.
A burger exhaust. Whoa. Was that in there the whole time?
Yeah. I don't know actually.
Weird.
These burger jokes are getting lame.
They just keep appearing.
Well, I think this video is starting to get a little long, so I think the burger vlog is going to end here.
No more burgers?
No more burger. Well, you can have more burgers, but they can't. All right, so no more burger, TT, or Cayman vlog. We're actually gonna hop in one of our Ford Transits and head and switch it out for the Range Rover. And Clayton actually requested for a ramen vlog, so I think I'm gonna pick him up some ramen. He's on a ramen kick lately.
So good.
All right, toodaloo. Peace out.
Oh, toodaloo. Peace
Bye.
Out. Bye.
All right, onwards to the garage. Come on, Transit. Those 4 cylinders are working really hard. There they are. It's a good thing we do not store the Range Rover here often because it does not fit in these spots. Can you guys believe that we used to wrap in this garage? It's pretty cold down here and it blows my mind every time I think about how we literally used to wrap cars right here. Anyways, we got the Range Rover switched out. I need to go get Clayton some ramen because I can tell he's getting a little hangry. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm also gonna thank you guys so much for tuning in today's episode of the Summit Life channel. I'm sorry we did not bring you along on the car meet earlier this morning. It's because we kind of wanted to just enjoy the Gallardo because we don't really get to drive the Gallardo often because we are literally so busy. Clayton and I are stretched thin between 3 businesses, the YouTube, detailing, and the wrapping. So we're having a hard time trying to exercise time management. But with that being said, we have a lot in store for the next upcoming year that will help us be able to, you know, kind of focus on YouTube a lot more. And on top of that, we have so many parts in the mail for the Gallardo, the Cayman, the truck, and the Range Rover. So there's about to be a lot going on soon at Summit Auto Lab and Summit Life. So please stay tuned, click the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. And again, thank you guys a million for being our fans. We love you so much. And until the next video, peace. You'll love to see it, am I right?